Hey my friends, welcome back to my channel. Have you been looking for the perfect organizing systems for your home since you've been decluttering and organizing this year? Well, I have got 11 Amazon products that are perfect for what you need. I feel like I'm a pretty organized person, but there are always times when I go in a space and I feel like it could be better. And I have found 11 products from Amazon that have really helped me, and I want to share those with you. Today is also part 3 of Out with the Old, In with the New collaboration hosted by Penny over at Penny's Lifestyle Living. There's also a list of co-hosts and I will list them down below, so make sure to go check them out. But we are focused on helping you to get your home organized, decluttered, cleaned up so that you can have a stress-free 2023. This particular organizing set that I bought comes in a set of 3, and you can see the metal frame, I guess, for it, but it stands up like this, and then this is actually the front, and this right here is the clear front flap that once you set everything up, then you can zip the front and you can see what's in it. But all you do is you just put the frames into place, and it is pretty sturdy, so it you have to force it into place. But once you have the frame in place, you can see that it is very sturdy, and if you press down on it, it's not going anywhere. Then it has the clear front, like I said, and it has 2 zippers, and then the top has the flap with the zipper as well. Now I have these pillows, and I have 4 because I have 4 rocking chairs on my front porch. So these are kind of rectangular, so these are gonna fit pretty good. But the thing I like about this is, even though it does have the sturdy frame, the side is soft, so it is a little giving. So I can just stuff these pillows into place and zip it up, and it fits actually perfectly. And you can see once I put it in the cabinet or the closet, I will be able to see what pillows are in it. Now these pillows are square, so I'm not sure if this is gonna work, just because I have 4, but I think if I put 3 in and scoot them as far over as I can and then stand the other one up, I feel like it should be okay. These are outdoor pillows, so I mean, if they're smushed a little bit, it's not gonna be a big deal. But as you see, I fit all 4 in here. I'm gonna zip it up, and once I'm ready to pull these out, I will be able to see it through the front and know which ones they are. I love that feature. Once I reorganized how I wanted everything, I didn't record me vacuuming and cleaning, but here is the before of the closet, and here is the after. It looks so much better, and I really do love these storage containers. This is a closet organizing, drawer organizing system that I bought from Amazon, and it's this Creusia, I guess that's how you pronounce it. But anyway, it is a set of 4 different organizing pieces. And one thing I like about these is you unfold it, and to make it sturdy, it has this zipper. Can you see the zipper? so once it's zipped, then the piece is very sturdy. And it has a soft bottom, but it has solid sides, not wooden, but sturdy. So it has this piece, and I'm actually going to use this in my, I guess, underwear drawer. This one looks like this. Okay. And then you have two, oh no, look, there's 6 pieces. I'm sorry, yeah, I forgot, there's 6 pieces. So these are like this. At least this one is. Let's see. I can't remember what they were. All right, so you got this one, this one. So these 2 are the same. I'm guessing the other 2 are the same as well. Get that. Yeah, so that one's gonna be like that, and this one is like this. So now I'm just gonna use these pieces to organize. Now it's not too terribly unorganized, but it just could be better. So let's get started. Another closet organizer from Amazon are these shoe organizers. So they're adjustable, so you can use them with heels or flats. If you're using them with heels, you just raise it up and lower it if you're, using them for flats. But anyway, they are plastic, and they come in, I think it was a set of 20, but I've had these in my closet for a while, and I just love the way they look, and they really do help with your shoe organization in your closet. Now it's time to organize underneath my husband's sink, so I'm just going to remove everything and give it a good cleaning. Now, what I'm using for under my husband's bathroom sink is a product that I shared in another video that I got the product. And so I was going to use it under my kitchen sink, but that's a whole nother animal. So I'm going to use it here, and it fits perfectly under the bathroom sink. And I love it that the bottom of the bottom portion slides out, so it's going to be perfect for cleaning supplies for the bathroom. So that's how I'm going to organize this. I'm going to use that for cleaning supplies. But anyway, this is just me getting this in place and organizing under his sink. Here is the before and the after. All right, this is the after, and I'm very pleased. So we've got extra toothpaste and soap up here. Have his mouthwash down there, his dental picks there. That's some stuff he doesn't use very much, but he does like to have on hand. And then down here, are the cleaning products. That slides out. So yeah, I'm very happy with the way it looks. All right, this organization piece is for your purse. And as you can see, it's a mess in there. So basically what this is, it comes in 2 different sizes and many different colors. But this is a middle piece, and it's got Velcro. So this, if you don't need this can actually be removed. So I'm not sure if I'm going to use it or not, depending on my wallet, because I kind of have a big wallet. But anyway, if you do want to use it, you just stick it in there, and the Velcro attaches it and holds it in place. And then there's pockets on this side, there's pocket on the outside. Then you have this zipper pocket. You have 2 more pockets here. And this would be a great place for, like, if you carry a bottled water or something with you, a great place to hold that. So now I'm going to organize my purse, probably throw receipts away, and show you what it looks like after. Next product is to help with the hat situation, and it is a hat clip hanger. I don't know what you call it, but anyway, I'm just going to show you. But it's basically it's got Velcro, and it comes undone, and you hang it over a hanger. So let me show you how that's done. All right, so I've got the hanger, and you basically just pull it apart, and you're going to hang it over the hanger. If I can get this undone. Very simple. And then you just Velcro it back together. Now you have these clips that you can hang your hats on. Now, all you have to do is hang it in your closet. Now, this will probably be used for my son because he has a lot more hats, but you get the idea. Very, very great hack for holding your hats. Now, if you love video content like this, you like organization, home decor, meal ideas, as well as shopping hauls, then I would love it if you would consider becoming a part of my YouTube family. Click that subscribe button, click the bell button so you don't miss any videos, and let's get back into the Amazon products for organization. For the kitchen, I wanted to show you this right here, and this is something I shared in another video, but it is by Space Aid. I don't know if you can see that. Space Aid. But basically what it is, these are adjustable drawer separators, and they also come with little pieces. They come with little pieces. Let me show you. Hold on. Because I didn't use them all. But they basically come with little pieces like this that if you want to, and I'll show you in a second, but if you want to make more sections, you just put these in there and it gives you can create your own sections. But if you will look in this drawer, this is how I have used these dividers in my kitchen towel and dishcloth drawer. But you can see I have it separated into 3 long sections. And then I have sections for dish towels, microfiber cloths, and then regular dish towels. So these are great to use in your kitchen drawer. And I want to show you another divider system that I use for the kitchen as well. So these dividers, I've showed them in other videos, and I will put the info card at the top of the screen for you to be able to click on that link. I'll also put a link in the description box where you can see more information about these. But I love these drawer dividers. I have them in this drawer as well as having one in this drawer for just making space for different utensils or whatever. But these are also adjustable. These are plastic, but they lock into place with this little thing right here. And yeah, these are really good as well. So I like both the wooden ones and these for kitchen drawer organizing. Now in this drawer of my kitchen, I have 3 different systems. So I'm sure most of you have probably seen the Ziploc bag compartments, the boxes. I love this. It just makes your drawer look so nice. I also found this, and this is in a video that I just did 2 or 3 weeks back on a secret place to look on Amazon for good deals. But anyway, this is for, it holds 2, I have my aluminum foil and my wax paper in here. This just makes it look pretty, as well as my battery organizer. I love this. My son took out the battery tester, but it also comes with a battery tester, but it holds a lot of different sizes of batteries and keeps them all in one place. So these 3 items right here are great to also add to your kitchen drawer organizer system. All right, let me know in the comments below what Amazon organizing products that I showed you today do you already use, and what products did you like that you are going to go purchase. Now remember, I'm going to leave links in the description box for every product that I've showed you today. And again, thank you so much for coming back by and supporting my channel. If you're new and you love this kind of content, I would love it if you would subscribe and give this video a thumbs up because it does help me out with YouTube. If you want more organizing tips and motivation, then make sure to click the box that you see on the screen, and I will see you next time. Bye.